Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have Colab open. Start by deciding where the Excel file will live. Mount Google Drive when you want persistent access because it keeps the file path stable. Alternatively, use the Notebook's Upload widget for quick tests. Once done, import pandas and open Pixel so Python can read. XLSX files. This avoids runtime errors. Make sure your runtime is connected and you see the mounted drive path before proceeding to read operations. Now load the workbook into a data frame. If you mounted Drive, construct the full path and call pandas. Read Excel with sheet name to select the sheet. This preserves headers and dtypes. If you use the Upload widget, capture the returned byte stream and wrap it with EO. Bytes IO so pandas can read it directly. Once read, inspect DF, head, and DF. Info, to verify columns and types. This helps you catch date parsing or merged cell issues early. Complete the workflow by saving any transformed data frame back to Drive or downloading it. Use DF. To Excel with index equals false to keep it tidy. Make sure to inspect dtypes and missing values, because Excel often stores numbers as text or dates as Excel serials. If you hit errors reading the file, reinstall or upgrade OpenPixel, confirm the file is not corrupted, and try both Drive mount and files. Upload, one method, usually.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.